Hi, this is Christina at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to go over the process of ordering our Re-Stretch screens. So I do have the order form up here. If you don't have it saved on your computer, you can go over to advancedcustomscreens.com, click on the order form, it'll download it. You will have to open it in Adobe to make edits. So our frame size here is 23 by 31. That's our standard, so we're going to click that. We also like to get the hydro, so we're going to check that off. And depending on what mesh count you need, you can fill that in here. We do like to get the yellow color mesh, so Y for yellow, and typically we like to do our newtons at around 30, so we're going to insert that here as well. You can also insert how many you need, so quantity. And we like to special request that there is no packing tape on the screens. It can interfere with our tri-lock. And we also like to request that the stamp is to the middle of the screen. So after you fill that out, you can save it. It'll save as a PDF. You can open your inbox here and we're gonna send over an email. So I do have a template saved under Kaizink screen stretch order. The recipient is advancedcustomscreens@gmail. So the last thing you need to do is you just need to attach the file you just saved. And once you send this over to them, they'll reply to you when they can come over to pick those up. So you'll know when you need to have them ready at the back door. Thank you.